join me on this journey of my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram handle, and let's support fuck. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sunshine and Sparkles. So those of you who don't know me, I'm Aishwarya and I am a makeup artist. I love doing makeup. I am a self-made makeup artist. Whatever I've learned from the net, from watching YouTube tutorials, from watching other people do makeup, and that's how I've learned everything. Skincare, I have tried and tested that on myself always, and then only recommended anything to anybody. So my journey started 3 years back when I was so fond of makeup because my mother had all of those things like blushes and mascaras and lipsticks, and I was so interested into them that I just wanted to explore that part of my life. So whenever my mom used that, I quickly went when she went out and behind her back used all the lipstick and the mascaras on me, and I was so fond of it that I always wanted to do all of that, and I guess that is what destiny brings you to. So 3 years back when I started looking into that and buying my own makeup and preserving it because it looked so beautiful to me, that is when my people, my family, my friends started telling me that why don't you just start doing some makeup on yourself and see how you do it. And that's when I started my journey, and I'm here today 3 years later, and I feel that taking that decision was the best thing because this is what I love, this is what I like, and this is what I want to do in life. All of you who want to know more about me and my work, you can follow on my Instagram handle, which is mentioned right here. So do check that out. If you want, you can DM me also on my Instagram handle, and there I would be able to answer all your questions and queries if you have anything according to your body type or your skin or your makeup or anything that you would like to ask me. And also, whatever you want me to put a video on here, please do comment below, or you can DM me also on Instagram, and just stay connected so that we both can do better together. So for more makeup and skincare and styling or any of such content, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now, and also go to my Instagram handle and follow me right there so that you can be updated of anything that I post every Sunday or whatever I'm posting right there on my Instagram handle, so that you stay connected to me always. This is me, Aishwarya, signing off for now. Bye.